everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I already did it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this beautiful golden hour inspired makeup look. It is just very bronzy, very golden. You're just gonna look like summer, just all on your face, and I think that's a good look. And if you want to see how to do that, just keep on watching. Make sure to have your skin very well moisturized before starting to do any of this makeup. To start off, I'm applying the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. And then blend it in. Then I'm using the Revlon Photoready Candid foundation, and then I'm adding in a little bit of the D-Bronzi Anti-Pollution Sunshine Serum by Drunk Elephant, just to make it a little bit darker. I always like to go in with my sponge afterwards just to smoothen out everything on my base. Then for concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade 20. Then for bronzer, I'm using my Fenty cream bronzer in the shade Macchiato. And I like to go in with the same foundation brush I had to apply it. And you can really apply as much bronzer as you feel fits the look, because we are trying to imitate that golden bronzy skin tone we get during the golden hour. And then a little bit on the nose just to imitate again that like bronziness and golden effect we get from the sun. For blush, I'm going to go in with two of the Glossier Cloud Paints, and the shades are Storm and Dawn. I want to create my own custom mix. And I took about equal parts of each one, and I'm mixing it on the palm of my hand. I actually prefer to mix on the palm of my hand rather than on the back of the hand, because the back is drier. So here, your hand is going to absorb less of the product and you'll have more to really use. Ooh, this is strong. A little bit on the nose as well. We're gonna go across it, and a little bit on the forehead as well, just very lightly. This blush color actually turned out so pretty. I wasn't expecting this. I really wasn't expecting much. I just got curious. I feel like my blush has come up very high right here underneath my eyes. Instead of adding more concealer and making that difference more harsh, I'm just going to add some more of the Hollywood Flawless Filter. This is a trick I like to do when my blush gets too out of hand. I just put some right underneath, and then I just blend it. And I find that really tones it down right where the concealer finishes. Then I'm going in with the Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Oh for a Glow. I love this stuff so much. This to me is literally as if the sun was shining on your face. It gives a little bit of warmth, a little bit of bronziness, a bit of a sheen as well. Just everything the sun gives you, except the sunburn. Then I'm going into this blush trio by Anastasia, and this is the trio called Pool Party, and I'm going to just mix all three shades. And for highlight, I'm using the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter in the shade Be My Highlight. I feel like this highlighter looks like nothing on the pan, but once you apply it onto the skin, it looks very, very beautiful without being too much. Alright, I had to put my hair up because it is crazy hot at the moment. To powder, I'm using my Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Powder. I'm adding a bit of concealer to prime my eyelids. For my eyeshadow, I'm using the Carli Bybel palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to start off with Chai. And then I'm going to add a little bit of Bybel. Just deepening out the outer corners slightly. And then with a very little brush, I'm going to pick up Bowie. Use this to define the outer corner. And then I'm going to just create a little flick with that same shadow. Then I'm going back into the highlighter I had applied, and I'm going to sweep this all over the lid. For my bottom lash line, I'm going to go back in with the same darker shade and just line the bottom outer corner. For mascara, I'm going to go in with the Ford Bad Ass Mascarra. I need a mirror so I can see. I am honestly always surprised with this mascara. Like, it looks so pretty. It looks like if I have like false lashes on, and I don't, so that's nice. I feel like we're almost done. A little bit of bronzer to contour my nose. Just whatever that you like to use is good. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm using the MAC eyeshadows that I always use. This one is Coquette and this one is Brun. And then going in with Boy Brow. Always use the same thing. It's amazing. Then for lips, I'm going to go in with a nude liner. And then for lipstick, I'm going to use this beautiful Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, and it's in the shade Angel Alessandra. I'm going to add the tiniest bit of the cloud paint in the shade Storm, just to like deepen it, the slightest bit. Lastly, to finish everything, I'm just going to add a little bit of the Fix Plus by MAC, and oh, that always feels so good. Okay, so we are finished the golden hour makeup. I think this looks so gorgeous. Make sure you check out the description. I'm going to put there all of the products that I have used. You can also follow me on my Instagram if you want. I have a discount code for Glossier if you want to use that. It's not an affiliate, it's more like you get a discount, I get a discount, we both win. Check that out there if you want to use that. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.